All right, today we're going to bring a table, and this is a beautiful, elegant little table. Very simple to set up. It comes with an Allen wrench, all the tools that you necessarily need. It's screwing the screws and the base itself and the actual, the neck itself. Another reinforcing metal underneath the actual table. We're going to put it together and see how it looks. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, here's part one. Very simple. We're starting here part one, and pretty much 3 or 4 steps and you're set. We're halfway there. All right, part two. Tie these down. Almost done. One last step and we should be good with the actual leg. Very simple 3-step setup. All right, optional. On the bottom of the table, there's 2 extra additional holes. You could screw your own screws in there if you want additional support, but you should be good with this. It's very strong, sturdy. So let's go ahead and finish it out. Last part is done already. Now, just before I flip it, just want you to see this. There's some rubber ends all around the bottom part of it. So that's an additional plus on this. So let's go ahead and flip it over and see how it looks. All right, overall, very happy with the table. I love the width of the table. It's beautiful. This is for a college student, or if you're having a new kitchen or something small, very petite. But this is actually a pretty large base on the top. I thought it was gonna be small, but it's actually pretty large. You could put around 4 chairs, 4 to 5. You could squeeze one in there. But very simple to put together out of the box. Very impressed. It got here right away the next day, and I'm loving it. So this is going to go for a college student, like I said, a dorm. And this is not going to take too much space. They could do their homework. They could eat out of it. They could do pretty much anything. And also the best thing about it, it's scratch proof. So there's a ceiling cover in the top. It's more like a plastic on the cover, but it's made of wood on the bottom. Very simple to put together. I hope you guys enjoy the video.